Hermes agent destroys Grokbot, and I'm not saying that to hype it up. I'm saying it because what just shipped is real, it works, and it's completely free. Here's what happened. Technium, the co-founder and lead engineer at Hermes, released something called Bot Mode one-day public beta. Install it as a plugin. Community tests it, then it ships inside the main Hermes desktop app for everyone. When someone pointed out it looks a lot like Grokbot, Technium replied with 3 words. That's the point. So let me show you exactly what bot mode is, how it compares to Grokbot, and the one setting buried in the advanced menu that almost nobody is talking about. Because that setting is the reason this matters more than just another AI release. And I'm also going to show you the agent OS I've built on top of Hermes, the full system, because that's really what this video is about. Not just what Hermes shipped, but what you can actually build with it and how you can get the whole thing ready to install. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's go. So first, the problem this solves. If you've used Hermes before, you know how it works. You open a session, give the agent a task, it does the work. You want something different done, you open another session, and another, and another. Your inbox summary lives in one session, your content research in another, competitor tracking in a third. They all look identical, a long list of chats with no names, no faces, no jobs, no structure. Bot mode completely changes that. Instead of a pile of sessions, you get a roster. A panel on the left side of your screen with named agents. Each one has its own avatar, its own job, its own chat, its own memory, and its own schedule. You click one and you're straight into a conversation, like messaging someone on your team. Creating one takes about 10 seconds. Name, title, job description, done. If you already have profiles set up in Hermes, they automatically show up as agents the moment you install the plugin. You don't rebuild anything. Now here's the part I want to show you properly. When you create or edit an agent, there's an advanced section. Inside it, you can pin a specific AI model to that agent. Your research agent runs one model, your writing agent runs a different one. Your inbox agent runs a small, fast, local model that lives entirely on your own machine. Every agent on your roster can think with a completely different brain, and you pick each one. That's the piece Grokbot doesn't give you. Grokbot runs on xAI's models inside xAI's cloud. Their agents, their infrastructure, their rules. Hermes Bot Mode is open source under an MIT license, free, runs on your own computer, and every agent uses whatever model you choose. A big frontier model, a free model, a local model that never touches the internet. Your choice per agent. And here's the thing, you don't have to build this from scratch. The full agent OS is inside the AI Profit Boardroom as a complete zip file ready to install. You get every agent pre-configured, Oracle, Astros, the writer, the analyst, all of them. The personality files are already written. The models are already assigned to each agent. The routines are already set up. You download the zip, drop the folder into Hermes, and your agent team is live. We also have the full 30-day roadmap that shows you exactly how to use it day by day. 4 coaching calls every week where you can bring your Hermes setup and get it reviewed live, and daily tutorials showing you how to build on top of it as new features ship. Over 3,700 business owners are already inside, plenty of them running Hermes right now for content, research, and automation. You can connect with them on the member map, compare setups, and get help around the clock. Link in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com to grab the Agent OS zip file and get started today. Okay, so here's where I want to show you the Agent OS. This is what I've actually built on top of Hermes, and this is the system you can get access to inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Watch this. So what you're looking at here is our full Agent OS. This is the system I run every single day to manage content, competitors, research, and inbox for the AI Profit Boardroom. It's a complete agent team, pre-configured, pre-named, with personality files already written for each agent, models already assigned, routines already set up. You can see here we've got Oracle running competitor intelligence, Astros handling SEO and content research, the writer turning research into scripts and posts, and the analyst checking everything before it goes out. Each one has its own soul file, its own memory, its own schedule, and they talk to each other. Let me show you what that looks like in real time. I type into my main agent, @researcher, pull the latest AI automation developments from the last 48 hours that would make a strong boardroom tutorial. The main agent passes that straight to the researcher. The researcher goes digging using its own model and its own memory of what we've covered before. It sends findings back. My main agent reads the reply and folds it directly into what I'm working on. One conversation window, two agents did the work. Now watch the routines panel. Oracle is set to scan the AI automation space every day at noon. Astros runs every Monday morning and turns the week's research into 10 content ideas. The inbox agent summarizes everything overnight and flags anything that needs a same-day reply. By the time I open my laptop in the morning, the work has already started without me. This is what a real agent operating system looks like. Not a demo, not a concept. This is running right now. Technium confirmed that works fine. You can't put multiple agents in one group chat yet. Right now it's one agent per chat with messaging and mentions connecting them. That's the current setup. Agent-to-agent delivery isn't instant. When one agent messages another, the receiving agent sees it the next time it runs. It won't interrupt an active task to respond immediately. So here's where this all lands versus Grokbot. Grokbot showed the world what an AI agent team could look like. Hermes Bot Mode made that architecture free, open source, and fully yours. Grokbot runs on xAI's models in xAI's cloud. You get the concept, but not the control. Hermes gives you every agent with its own brain, its own memory, its own schedule, talking to every other agent, all running on your machine, under your control, using the models you choose. The people who build their agent roster now will have agents with months of built-up memory by the time everyone else installs this, memory compounds. An agent that's been running your competitor research for 3 months knows things a brand new agent doesn't. And the pattern underneath all of this matters more than the specific tool. Named agents with jobs, with memory, with schedules, talking to each other. That pattern is everywhere now. If you learn to run an agent roster once, that skill transfers to every version of this that ships going forward. The people waiting for things to settle down will be waiting for a long time. So if you want to skip the setup and get straight to running your own agent team, the full Agent OS zip file is inside the AI Profit Boardroom, ready to download and install today. You get Oracle, Astros, the writer, and the analyst, all pre-configured with their personality files already written, models already assigned, and routines already set up for a business owner who wants to save time and grow. You don't build it from scratch, you just drop the folder in and it runs. On top of that, you get the full 30-day roadmap for getting the most out of your Hermes setup, 4 live coaching calls every week where you can bring your exact agent configuration and get feedback in real time, and daily tutorials as new features ship. Over 3,700 business owners are already inside. A lot of them are running Hermes right now. Link in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com to grab the Agent OS zip file and get your team running today. And if you want the full notes from this video, plus over 100 AI use cases and SOPs, you can plug straight into your business. Join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. 75,000 members in there using AI every day to save time and get more done. Links in the comments and description. Come find us in there.